Postanın arasında.
Ben neyse yer bağlı var.
Hi guys, the element of the cut shaft is very reliable, coupling, hanging bearing, but if you replace it at least with original for anything, then you will have to change them every 2 years. The first time we replaced the coupling and the hanging bearing. They were from the factory and have never been changing. It would be better to buy a clutch for disassembling. For a year now, the clutch has been replaced. And in what form? It's already. On the channel I have replacement video. The mountain bearing is located in this spot, and to replace it, you need to disassemble the cart shaft. The gearbox pillow changes very easily and takes a long time to walk. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like. Hi guys, the main and most common malfunction of the Mercedes gearbox is the wear of the side bearing. The most malfunction of more often observed in a mileage of 100,000 kilometers, although it can occur to a lower mileage. It depends primarily to the manner of the operating and the frequency to maintenance of the gearbox. A low oil level in the gearbox, the use of low quality oil, leads to overheat of the bearing. A characteristic Hammond hole of the gear appears. Low oil level occurs overheating of the gearbox bearing, which in turn leads to accelerated determination. The second reason of the Hammond hole the gearbox is the wear and the particle disturb of the gear teeth of the main gear pair. In this case, extraneous hum, knocking, booming, blow, whisper, distance from the Mercedes gearbox will manifest itself at any vehicle speed, both during acceleration and when the vehicle is coasting. In some cases, due to lack of oil, the gearbox burn out. Metal shaving or observed in the gearbox housing and tracks of where is the gear element are visible. In such case, just replace the bearing is enough. It's necessary to completely change the gearbox. Now guys, some are wondering how to get a speed bump. They stand on it first with one wheel, then with the other wheel. At this moment, the suspension elements are under heavy load, which disables them. Therefore, it's better to pass the speed bump by stepping on it with both wheels at the same time. Thus the suspensions last a long time. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.